Bonjour, today let's learn how to form ordinal numbers in French. So we are going to learn how to say first, third, eighth, ninth, and so on. Okay, the main objective of this lesson is to learn how to form ordinal numbers in French. Now, ordinal numbers or nombres ordinaux are used for specifying a rank or position in a list. In English, that will be first, second, third, and so on. They are formed in French by adding the suffix ième to the cardinal numbers. So, example, 3, which is trois, becomes troisième. 8, which is 8, becomes huitième. See what we've done? We've added ième to the number. The same way as in English, you would add th, eighth, ninth, and so on. However, there is one exception, premier, which means first is the only one which is not formed with this suffix and which has the feminine form première. Now, bear in mind that it's only when we want to say first, not 21st or 31st, but we are going to see that in a minute. So here we go. Here's the list. Premier, deuxième, troisième, quatrième, cinquième, sixième, septième, huitième, neuvième, dixième, onzième, douzième, treizième, quatorzième, quinzième, seizième, 17e, 18e, 19e, 20e, 21e, and then you carry on. So if you wanted to the tens, you could say 30e, 40e, 50e, and so on. But remember that when we use 21st and 31st, we go 21e, 31e, 41e, and so on. Okay, so we've seen the list now, but you may have noticed that there are some rules regarding the spelling of certain ordinal numbers. When the cardinal number ends in an I, such as 4, you must drop the I before adding the suffix ième, so quatrième. In the ordinal number for 9, the F becomes a V, neuvième. In the ordinal number for 5, you must add a U between the Q and the I, so it becomes cinquième. It is possible to use second or seconde instead of deuxième when there are only 2 elements. Ordinal numbers are not used in dates, except for premier. Example, you could say, je serai absente le 1er décembre. I will be away on December the 1st. If you wanted to say, for example, mardi, Tuesday, 22 janvier, January, okay? So you wouldn't say 22nd of January, we would say 22 January. And that works for all the dates, except for premier. Okay, let's put these ordinal numbers in examples. You could say, for example, il est arrivé premier au concours de chant. He came first in the singing competition. Or you could say, j'habite dans le 18e arrondissement de Paris. I live in the 18th arrondissement, or district of Paris. Now notice how we put a little E next to the number instead of a TH. Be very careful with this one, okay? Je suis le 3e enfant de la famille. I am the 3rd child in the family. Okay, that's it for me on ordinal numbers. Remember, there is a support guide available with this lesson at learnfrenchwithalexa.com. Subscribe to Learn French with Alexa, the YouTube channel, so you're kept updated by what's going on. Au revoir, à bientôt, bisous bisous. Salut!